Hi, it's Tim here at Matchbox Customs and Restos, and I want to give you guys an update. I haven't put out a video for about a week now, and it's due to the fact that I'm completely ripping a room out and redoing it. This way I can do 3D printing and do molds and stuff, so this way I can do something other than these windshields like this. I mean, after the Vega video where I had a red windshield and a blue car, I got to looking at it pretty hard, and I thought I need to get a degassing chamber because I was doing stuff like this. This is a Ford truck grill for this truck here, and it came out just full of bubbles and stuff, and several attempts, and it's just down to the point where yes, I need to go ahead and do a degassing chamber. So I'm getting a degassing chamber and a vacuum pump, so on and so forth. The printer I'm not getting one of them filament printers that's got the what do you call it, the where it makes the lines and stuff. So this way it's going to be a nice smooth finish. So I'm going to do like interiors and stuff, like these interiors that goes in these Ford trucks. I can miniaturize, scale down like 132 interiors. They're a little more detailed for like convertibles and stuff, so this way it looks more like the original interior that goes in these cars, instead of having the generic interiors that all these have. The other things I'm planning on doing is just little, molding some wheels and stuff, because these wheels are getting really expensive, especially the dually wheels. As you can kind of see, this is a project that's going on and I'm trying to finish up. Dodge van, dually wheels. Wait for that video, you'll like that one. So I want to have more control of what I'm doing, and I can actually make these wheels. I really like the Krager SS wheel, but if I'm going to give $8 or $10 for a Johnny Lightning car that has Krager SS's on it, and all I'm going to do is rip wheels off of it, change them out, put them on something else, or whatever I'm going to do with it, I might as well go ahead and make my own. So I can do that with a 3D printer. I can make molds and chrome them and stuff with the Molotov chrome pins and stuff. I can make something really nice. I can make shifters. I can make all kinds of different things, they can go in the interior, just like I have a plan, because this is a Hearst Olds, and I tubbed it out a little bit. But there is a dual gate shifter, or not a dual gate shifter, but the lightning rod shifters that goes into the into this car, and also I can get a clear windshield in there, or a clear windshield and do to leave the back dark, something. But I can actually do something a little more, that's going to be a little more realistic. So these are the plans to go ahead and do stuff like this. This way I can actually make things better for you guys. You guys can check this stuff out and go, oh man, now that's nice. I will also, when it comes down to this stuff, I'll make windshields and stuff, and I'll put them up online. I'll sell them. I mean, a world with nothing but pink, purple windshields, yeah, that's just not going to work. So I can go ahead and make a line of that. And the original plan is not, it wasn't about making money. It's about making the hobby better. So that's the plan. Plus I needed to get a compressor for my airbrush. So I'm going to make things a little more realistic, a little more I don't want to say exciting, but it probably is going to be exciting to see this stuff go the way it is. So this way you can actually see that there is more potential to these little cars than just what they give you. So anyways, I'm going to stop the video here, and thank you to everybody that has subscribed and everybody that, you know, especially here recently, and I haven't put any videos out, and I'm really sorry about that. To the people that have just subscribed, hope you're enjoying the other videos. Give me likes, give me comments. The people that has been commenting, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate that. I appreciate all you guys doing what you have been doing for me. Every little bit on the channel helps. So anyways, I will talk to you guys on the next video. It might be a week or two down the road, but I am here. I am working on stuff. It's basically getting the room ready right now, and once that's all done, you're going to see a lot of productivity. You might see 2 videos a day. I don't know. It just depends on how things are going to go down. And my ideas for that day. So anyways, thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.